It's 2016. You just got home from school, you hop on TeamSpeak because Jungle Planet just reset and nothing else matters right now.
Hey, it's on. It's up.
It's up. It's full.
It's server full.
This server's crap.
What? VIP server? Hey, don't say that.
So
you can't say the stuff we usually say about servers.
I'm in.
Hey, what is going on, guys? It's Preston here today with Rob for something incredibly special. Minecraft factions on the cosmicpvp.me server. IP shop down below in the description. The duo series with Rob and I has been long and awaited for centuries.
Bro, I'm crying, man. Like, actually.
Rob, my grandmother cried when we stopped our series 2 months ago.
And I'm crying right now because it's starting back up. Seriously, it's an emotional moment for both of us. We're gonna combine our powers to take over and control one of the brand new resetted realms.
Rob, why don't you come over here to the brand new realm which we're about to hit up?
Are we doing jungle, dude?
Jungle, let's go!
Welcome to the jungle.
So guys, right now, if you want to get ahead on the Cosmic server and any realm other than Alien, that was the one that was reset a few months ago, every realm, Ice, Volcano, and Jungle, aside from Alien, has been reset within the last 24 hours. So this is the time. Yeah, this is really the time to get on. Oh, this is my first time, by the way, seeing the brand new lobby, or this new spawn. This is awesome. You're literally in a spaceship.
I'm in. Okay. Warp desert.
I'm in. Okay, let's go.
That's going off brick. I need to go where? Negative?
Just be used for like defenses. Stuff like that. Oh, I found a zombie spawner.
No way.
Yeah, I did. Yeah, this one hasn't been looted yet. That's actually really helpful.
Oh, no way.
What?
That's huge.
Yeah, I know. What is this? All right, so time to grind out those levels, my good sir. I'm going for I'm dizzy.
I punched everything off my desk.
Alright, it is.
Do it,
the bad pickaxe. I'm breaking through. The evil. Why?
Nope, I didn't get Homicide OG or Homicide.
I'm on. Oh, Flash Desert. I'm getting a claim. I'm getting a derp claim.
So let's try and tinker all of this and try and get actually, a nice silk touch and go to the nether. Okay, come on. Oh no, we need silk touch, boys. We need silk touch. All right, we need a little bit more XP. Okay, we can combine these two picks right here. Silk touch, come on. GG, boys. GG. Slash nether. Other people in our fact are going for corners, so literally, guys, let's just run out as far as we can here.
I got guard against 10, angelic 5, long friggin' dodge 4.
What do you mean?
Oh, Alpha got
Give me
Reaper, what the fuck?
Yeah, give me a CC, Levi.
free calls. Tell me that. Oh, nah,
What's he doing?
none. I'm returning a PF Chang's gift card.
What the hell? It didn't blow up. Oh, there we go. Oh no. Hey, alright, come on.
It didn't.
Yeah, it
Okay,
goes.
I'm gonna use regular chains.
No, it'll go. It'll go. It's just... We dropped. You died, but it dropped.
So we're here on the Goodness Planet for a new season, guys. A brand new season here on the Goodness Planet. And we're jumping right in. So I actually have a faction and all that I'm going to join. But first things first, guys, /confirm. Look at this, guys. Tier 5 rank. Oh my god, I didn't know you got all of this. I thought it was just MCMO, that, and the rank. Oh my god, guys. GG. Okay, so we got a lot to start off with.
Come on, give it to us. Come on. No.
Okay. Wait, is it not blocked off? How do we block it off?
You have to place dispenser?
Yeah.
He is. He's doing it right now.
Let's go. Now connected.
Go.
Kill them. Steal their realm.
We'll just place it like right here. But the chances are of getting this, but it's about to die. So we're falling here. There we go.
Alright, I'm in. Block it. Shit.
Got no one. Wait, let me. Oh, he looked out. Oh, then, nope, he got out. Wait, he's still there.
He's still there. I got him. Yes! I got pots.
Get him.
Oh shit, I got it.
Someone find us.
Huh?
Who needs them? I got 38.
No, it's fine. I just dropped one for 6 seconds.
This guy in pink grade.
Back to school, cosmic crate. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna do like a little kind of square thing here, a little diamond to start off. Okay, 2 cosmonaut fallen heroes, mystery cosmic crate. Okay, I think that's pretty good. Another home, actually 2 more homes, and the troll V kit. Damn, okay, that's pretty nice. So now I'm gonna do these top 3. Two legendaries, 4 item name tags, and an orchid rank quest. GG guys, GG. 2 more, and then we got the big thing over here. Paingiver's mixtape and back to jail. So those weren't too nice, but let's see what we get for the last thing. No way. Did we just get another one?
We get into any of the CCs, any of the loot boxes or anything, I actually want to show you guys what faction we joined and how the base is going. So pretty much, I joined Evo, guys. So huge shout out to Yipper for actually tossing me this invite, guys, and giving me the opportunity to be in a big faction. I honestly have not been in a big faction since the watch about a year ago.
Ladies and gentlemen, the final battle of destiny is today. Oh my gosh, Rob, are you nervous? Oh man, I can't believe. I was scared. I was like running away.
I'm like screaming like man.
I was trying to get a new perspective on life. Can you believe that we've done
get off my side.
100 episodes on just the Jungle Planet?
Just the Jungle Planet with all you lovely viewers and players on Cosmic. Honestly, amazing. We are here at episode 100.
And the craziest part is that Cosmic is back. Cosmic Sky Season 10 Golden Age is here. It's gonna be an insane one. We got tons of updates, patch notes, and nostalgia to explore, and you all can join to do it as well. We've done most of this already on episode 1, where we created our own island. We got to planting our saplings, to grinding log nodes, to grinding our cobblestone generator, to hitting the adventure. Everything great that you remember, and it's going to continue. But guys, I had started playing that season of Jungle Planet, so I had a blast putting this montage together and even included some of my later clips. I really can't say too much more than, you know, what a time. What a time.